I was walking along Pambula Beach and I started seeing all these dead birds, and I remembered reading an article about all these dead birds in Cronulla, I think on Pambula Beach. And I started seeing them, like if you just look here, after about 2 meters there are another two, and then about 2 meters away there's another one, and then about another 2 meters ahead there's another one, and then there's another one, and then there's another one, and then there's one down here, and down near on the southern end of Pambula Beach I saw, lots of dead birds too. I forget the reason. I just read a brief article. I haven't been watching much TV. I mainly just watch online news. I forget the name of the bird and I forget the reason, but apparently they migrate annually. But this year there were many more deaths than normal. So then, every metre or so you've got a dead bird. I haven't seen this a lot. I think I saw it on Yahoo News. One on the left here, and then two on the right, and then one on the left, and then one up there. I wish I could remember the name of the bird. They said they migrate annually to Australia. One there, one there, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one down there. So that's a shame. I haven't come to Pambula Beach for so long. It's such a beautiful beach. But we've got all these dead birds. And you can see them up there. You can see 2, 1, 2. Okay, bye.